Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. I am your teacher, Randy League, and today we are going to do some beginning listening practice. Welcome back. So, today we will do some listening practice. We will do some practice, go over the answers, and at the end of the lesson, we will look at the transcripts of all the listening practice we will do today. Okay? Let's get started. In this listening exercise, you will hear a question. Then you will hear 3 responses to that question. I want you to choose the correct response.
Can I go to the supermarket with you, Dad?
A. Yes, let's go. B. Here you are. C. Nice to see you. Let's play basketball. A.
It's today.
B.
I'm over here.
C.
Yes, let's.
That's a nice hat. A.
You too.
B.
Thank you.
C.
Yes, I do.
Do you want some tea? A.
Please help me.
B.
Yes, please.
C.
I see.
Hi, Robert. How are you this morning? A.
It's sunny today.
B.
You're welcome.
C.
I'm fine.
Look at those flowers. A.
I'm fine, thanks.
B.
They're very pretty.
C.
You too.
Do you like my new t-shirt? A.
Here you are.
B.
Yes, I love it.
C.
Every day.
Excuse me, do you speak English? A.
It's 900 yen.
B.
You're right.
C.
Yes, a little.
Can I use your scissors? A.
It's not today.
B.
Sorry, I'm using them.
C.
I'm not going.
What do you want for dinner? A.
That's great.
B.
Spaghetti.
C.
8 o'clock.
Now, let's go over the answers together. If you want to practice your listening skills, don't look at the screen to get the answers. Only listen to my voice. If you want to practice your pronunciation, repeat all of the sentences after I say them. Also, don't forget to tell us your score in the comment section below.
Can I go to the supermarket with you, Dad?
A. Yes, let's go. Let's play basketball. C. Yes, let's. That's a nice hat. B. Thank you. Do you want some tea?
B. Yes, please.
Hi, Robert. How are you this morning?
C. I'm fine.
Look at those flowers.
B. They're very pretty.
Do you like my new t-shirt?
B. Yes, I love it.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
C. Yes, a little.
Can I use your scissors?
B. Sorry, I'm using them.
What do you want for dinner?
B. Spaghetti.
Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments section below. If you liked today's lesson and you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time.